Hello, everyone. Welcome to 5th of January NFP live stream. Hope you guys are doing well. Other than that, new year, new fun, more money to be made, or lost for that matter. This year is new, so good. What are we expecting today? We're expecting 107,000 new jobs, which is a bit less than average, but great. We had yesterday, I think it was yesterday, the day before. We had jobless claims, which was a bit lower than previously expected, which is actually dollar bullish. Because we want this one to rise, so we all, saying that the economy down. This is meaning that the economy is going up. So, it is what it is, right? How is sound and everything? Is it great? I can see that they are complaining. They're saying that maintenance is unstable. Is that also for you guys? Please let me know. That would be great. Other than that, it's gonna be sad. Tra-la-la. I cannot see myself. Da-da-da. Okay, cool. Fair enough. Cool. Good. So we continue. Yen pairs has risen. That was not planned. That was not called up before. But if you don't know what I'm talking to you, Sema. If you don't know what happened to yen pairs, you don't see what happened to yen pairs, and you couldn't forecast it. Take this moment and be like, okay, I can now see what happened, and I will act accordingly next time. Okay? Is that a good deal? I think that's a pretty good deal, to be honest. We all love good deals. So dollar index has gone beyond the weekly target today. It has come a bit down. This is all in the essence of seasonality. This is what I like to see, want to see. But there's a couple of things that tends to happen in this case. It is deeper pullbacks. So I don't know if today is going to be the day, but make sure that you are prepared for that, having that as a possibility, having that in your plans. And yes, dollar index does go higher, but it can go even lower before rising. All right. It is 3 minutes left now. My clock says 27. That's pretty much where I wanted to be. Anyways, happy New Year, happy Christmas, everyone. Happy Hanukkah, happy whatever you might have celebrated. Hope you had a nice little time before in December, and that January now it's better. Is that what we can call it? Maybe. Yeah, hopefully that will. Cool. Great. So, what do I expect today? Where does NFP take me? NFP takes me in the direction of NFP takes me in the direction of that we are probably set up for a bullish move today on dollar, and then falling hard down. Why do you say so, Ivan? It is because we are priced in 170,000. Previously it was 199, and if you go into the data set, we are generally over 200,000. So for it to go down to 170, which is great, fantastic, but we're still prone to be above 170 overall. So if we get dollar bullishness, I will not trade it. If we get dollar bearishness, I will look for an entry. Actually, just need to find my broker account on my phone. But okay, I'll give it a try when that comes in. But so the rule is, if it's more than 50,000 in either direction, either if the number is 220, or less than 120, we're going to see quite an aggressive market. If this goes above 200,000 new jobs created, if the average hourly earnings are more than 4%, we're going to see a lot of dollar bullishness, because that's going to erase the bearishness that we are priced in so far in the market. So hold your glass high, enjoy the time. Trading forex is risky, not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is indicative of future results. And if you lose money on NFP, if you have no trading NFP, this market is not for you whatsoever. All right, I am just here for the fun of it, just to see if I can get something, but it is not a part of my strategy whatsoever. This is just, a bit of fun, bit of volatility. But I'm here because I want to see if they just change the overall bias, generally speaking. So we can do a dollar, and we will do gold. All right, we have 1, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Canada comes in with better than expected. Better than expected employment. $216 goes higher. What did I just tell you 2 minutes ago? I'm only celebrating that I was right about the direction. It's not a trading thing. Okay. Ouch. This hurts. This hurts. This hurts. What hurts the most? Everything I said above 4 on average hourly earnings, which it is. I said above 200,000 new jobs, and I didn't say, but better than expected unemployment rate. It is. This does not support. This does not support peaking interest rates. Secondly, Canadian dollar comes in strong. That would make CAD yen go higher, I think. Was I right about that? Yeah, I was right about that. Coolio. Let's go to gold. That should fall pretty hard, make a new lower low. And as you can see here, I have said that should be a buy zone around 1990. Your sell zone was actually here. Congratulations on that. For those who sold there. And I'm not saying you should have, you could have, and you would have, and whatever. I am gold bullish, so I'll wait down here to see if there is any direction on this. Anyways, Happy New Year, Adu. Happy New Year, Tito. Hello, Dexter. Nas is giving a beautiful bullback. It starts to roll over, and I think that thing's going to go a bit lower before it goes higher again. Yeah. Yes, you are in CAD yen, but target last year is high. How high is that? 111. Is that what you're targeting? Yeah, 111.15, something like that. Okay, cool. So to me, I didn't trade this, so I can't claim it. I'm gonna be honest about it. I didn't trade it. I wish I did. So it goes into I wish I could have, should have, could have, would have account. But the earthquake in Japan created at least some bullishness on yen for like, I don't know, half a minute or something, and then it became bearish. If you go to Discord somewhere and you wonder where I said that, so yeah, from Ivan FX, yen. I think yen is going to be the one. So yeah, the yen strength will subdue when there is no more escalation, as in not more earthquakes. And how to create that damage. Here it is. Here is what I said. The yen will strength will subdue when there's no more escalation. earthquake or tsunamis that will create more damage. Market will then revert back to normal. I said that 1st of January, that is give or take there somewhere at the bottom there. And what I have told people, generally speaking, is to choose one thing. You either choose the bullishness or you choose the bearishness, and the bearishness is uh 1.5 more times more move than the bullishness, and it seems like it's only bearishness this year. So it is what it is. Euro dollar went lower, have now come back down to 109. I don't see this as a buying opportunity, even though it comes down to a very beautiful area of 108. I don't think that is great at all with the current movement. Um, Meaning, what do I want to see? I want to see that insert there. So where are we now? Here. So we still have a day or two of reversal before we can do anything to the upside. Hello, Jesus. The round number that. Yeah. I got a feeling that Bank of Japan is full of hit. Yeah. Yeah, that is definitely a valid feeling, a feeling that I share. I am very cautious about them. I have turned very cautious about them. But this is not a Bank of Japan move. This is money flow. And it's a very easy, straightforward money flow move. You just have to say, okay, when am I making higher highs? I don't know what time frame. And you have to go through similar events in the past and study them, and then it's a copy paste thing. It's an event like this is copy paste. It's the same thing every time. The only question is how deep is the initial push gonna be before it falls back. And that's the only equation. But once it starts, also Yen gave you a very good entry. High, higher, high, higher, low. That is there. CAD Yen gave it here. Euro Yen gave it here on Tuesday. So it's kind of like, or Thursday, sorry, it was yesterday. Then they give one on Wednesday as well. So it's kind of like, is it going down? No, it's not going down at the moment. And there was a bit of fall, but yeah, just as a people just learn. Take this as a blueprint of what should happen, and then you apply it next time, and you work through it, see what has happened previously, and this is what I call risk events. Can somebody hear something? Oh, it's thunder and lightning. This might be possibly pick up. Anyways, cool. Going back to NFP. I want to trade it. I didn't get the situation I wanted. I wanted to go higher, went lower. Euro went lower, even though seasonality is bearish. So it's all in line with that. Secondly, you have to expect price to come up to 111 and 110.60 for a short in the future. If that is February, if that is March, sorry, if that's January, if that is March, I don't know. February. January, February. Sorry. March, we should probably revert back up again. When it comes to oil, we have gone into some kind of range, but here we go again, back to my same buy level of 70. I had a discussion earlier with somebody buying, was it here at 73? Stop loss was 71. And I said, well, between 71 and 70 is the buy zone, which I was half right about. And it came down again. So I don't know. That's at least the bear zone for you at 75. And then gold is now falling down. I want this to go higher. This is not what I want to see. This is not in line with what the Fed wants to happen. So, you know, I am eyeing gold if we're creating a bullish pin bar post news and break structure higher. Yeah, that's a very valid situation, Dexter. I think that's a very good situation to be in. Um, but yeah, you just have to have it. So, are we in that situation where we just have a red candle and then we do goes back up again, which is another day and some change left, or are we here where we still have more days to continue lower? I don't know if we are in either of them. Um, we just have to watch and see and not make any too fast conclusions. Is there any other questions? Is there any other questions out there? That'd be great. Other than that, NFP went against what the Fed wants. Stronger than expected. Dollar bullish. Gold falling. It is a very risky moment. This is not the moment to trade. This is not a part of a strategy. This is just volatility for fun. And then we can talk on Monday or Sunday on about eventualities. All right, people. Have a great rest of your day. Boom. I need to run a 5-year anniversary today. The missus has called me to get ready. You know what I mean. Yeah. Have a great time, people, and I'll see you next week.